Hey everybody, just wanted to give you guys a quick bike check on my 2015 Giant Anthem Advanced. Got a carbon triangle, aluminum back. It's got carbon wheels. I switched the 2x Shimano to a 1x11 XT models. Got a dropper post, Crank Brothers, and switched the headset to a shorter stem. Got some Thompson carbon bars, and nice bike. Been good to me for many years. Now I've upgraded to my next acquisition, Anthem Advanced 2018, full carbon. No dropper post yet on this one, but it's getting one. It's got that Eagle GX 1x12 system. Very nice, very happy with that. And everything is pretty much stock on this bike except for the grips and the seat. Had to switch seats. Actually put that one on this one. And very happy with both bikes. Can't complain at all. Giant makes a pretty damn good bike. These are cross-country racers, but where I live, that's pretty much where I ride. All right, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and like and subscribe, I guess, like the rest of us. Cheers, everybody.